Practical natural remedies. Here you will learn how to get rid of blackheads using natural methods according to top dermatologists. What are the best blackhead removers? These effective and quick methods will remove the blackheads. Let's find out why and how exactly blackheads appear on your skin and what can help you to get rid of them naturally. Blackheads are small black skin projections often found on the face, especially on the nose and sometimes on the back. They create a sort of plug that blocks the sebaceous glands of the skin. They appear due to excessive production of sebum, an oily substance from the sebaceous gland that slowly gets hardened when they mix with dead skin and bacteria. The sebum oxidizes from when exposed to the air. That's why it turns black. When they are below the pore opening, they appear as white or yellow bumps and are called whiteheads. Here are the main causes that lead to blackheads: stress, hormonal changes, hereditary factors, unclean skin, cosmetics, smoking, alcohol, and caffeine. Follow these simple natural ways to clean the pores and remove blackheads using easily available ingredients at home. Green tea. Mix 1 teaspoon of dry green tea leaves with a little water to make a paste. Then, gently scrub the paste over the affected area for 2 to 3 minutes. Rinse your face with lukewarm water and apply a little bit of moisturizer once your face is dry. Lemon and sea salt mask. Squeeze a few drops of lemon juice in a bowl, add salt, and stir the mixture well. Add 2 to 3 teaspoons of water to get a smoother consistency. Wash face with warm water and apply the mixture on the blackheads. Leave for 20 minutes and wash face again with warm water. Use this mixture to exfoliate the affected area. Repeat once or twice a week to see visible results. Honey massage. Honey has antiseptic properties that work wonders for both oily skin and blackheads. Apply honey onto the affected area and wash off with warm water after 15 minutes. Honey has proven to be effective in removing blackheads. At the same time, it moisturizes and soothes the skin. Honey can be used on the skin daily. Baking soda mask. Prepare a mixture of baking soda and water to make a paste. Apply gently to the affected part, allowing to dry for a few minutes, and then rinse it off with warm water to remove away the oil and dirt that cause blackheads. Oatmeal and yogurt mix. A mixture of oatmeal and yogurt is good for the skin and helps banish blackheads. Mix 2 tablespoons of oatmeal with 3 tablespoons of yogurt. Add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and olive oil to it. Mix all these ingredients well until it forms a paste. Apply the mixture on the face, leave for 10 to 15 minutes, and wash face with cold water. Egg wash. Raw eggs are an effective home remedy to get rid of blackheads. Beat 1 to 2 egg whites and mix with 1 tablespoon of honey. Apply this mixture over the area of blackheads, leave for 30 minutes, and wash off with warm water. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is an antibacterial spice and is great for removing blackheads. Just mix 1 tablespoon of organic cinnamon powder with 2 tablespoons of honey to form a paste and apply it on the affected area. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing it off. Cinnamon can also help remove acne by drying out the skin and by supporting blood flow to the skin. I hope this video will be useful to you. Please remember to subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks for watching!